Welcome, aspiring gardeners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of hydroponics to grow delicious bell peppers right at home. Hydroponics offers a fantastic way to cultivate plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. This method can lead to faster growth and higher yields, making it perfect for bell peppers. Another significant benefit is reduced pest and disease issues. Without soil, many common garden pests struggle to establish themselves. Hydroponic systems also allow for year-round growing, regardless of outdoor weather conditions, giving you fresh peppers anytime. To begin your hydroponic journey, you'll need a few essential pieces of equipment. A deep water culture, or DWC system, is highly recommended for beginners due to its simplicity and effectiveness. This system involves suspending plant roots directly into a nutrient solution. You'll also need a reliable grow light, such as an LED or T5 fluorescent fixture, to provide the necessary light spectrum. Bell peppers are light-hungry plants, so adequate lighting is crucial for their development. Choose a full-spectrum light for optimal growth. A two-part hydroponic nutrient solution is vital, providing all the minerals your plants need. You'll also require pH up and pH down solutions to adjust the water's acidity. A pH meter and an EC or TDS meter are indispensable for monitoring your nutrient solution. For your DWC system, an air pump and air stone are necessary to oxygenate the water, preventing root rot. Net pots will hold your plants, and a growing medium like rock wool, coco coir, or hydroton pebbles will support the seedlings. Finally, a reservoir will hold your nutrient solution. The first step is selecting the right bell pepper seeds. Look for varieties known to perform well in hydroponic systems, such as California Wonder or Big Bertha. Starting with high-quality seeds ensures a strong foundation for your plants. Germinate your seeds in rock wool cubes or another inert medium. Soak the cubes in pH-balanced water, then place 1 or 2 seeds per cube. Keep them warm and moist, ideally in a humidity dome, until they sprout. Once seedlings emerge, provide them with gentle light. A lower intensity light source, like a T5 fluorescent, is perfect for young seedlings. Ensure they receive about 16 hours of light per day during this initial growth phase. Your bell pepper seedlings will be ready for transplanting when they develop their first true leaves and their roots begin to emerge from the bottom of the rock wool cube. This usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks after germination. Handle them gently to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Carefully place each rock wool cube with its seedling into a net pot. Ensure the roots can extend through the bottom of the net pot. Position the net pots into the designated holes on your hydroponic system's lid. Now, it's time to prepare your reservoir. Fill it with clean, dechlorinated water. Then, add your two-part hydroponic nutrient solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Always add part A, mix thoroughly, then add part B and mix again. After adding nutrients, use your pH meter to check the water's acidity. Bell peppers thrive in a pH range of 5.5 to 6.5. Adjust the pH using pH up or pH down solutions until it falls within this optimal range. Finally, place your air stone at the bottom of the reservoir and connect it to your air pump. Turn on the air pump to ensure continuous oxygenation of the nutrient solution. This step is critical for healthy root development and nutrient uptake. Consistent nutrient management is key to successful hydroponic bell pepper growth. Regularly monitor your nutrient solution's pH and EC, or electrical conductivity levels. The EC meter measures the concentration of dissolved nutrients in the water. For bell peppers, aim for an EC range of 1.8 to 2.5 during the vegetative stage and 2.0 to 3.0 during the flowering and fruiting stages. Adjust nutrient levels by adding more solution or diluting with water as needed. It's crucial to change your entire nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks. This prevents nutrient imbalances and the buildup of undesirable salts. Always clean your reservoir thoroughly before refilling with fresh solution. Bell peppers require specific light cycles to thrive. During the vegetative growth phase, provide 16 to 18 hours of light per day, followed by 6 to 8 hours of darkness. This promotes strong foliage development. Once your plants begin to flower and set fruit, switch to a light cycle of 14 to 16 hours of light and 8 to 10 hours of darkness. This encourages fruit production. Ensure your grow lights are positioned at the correct distance from your plants to prevent burning or stretching. Maintain an optimal temperature range for your bell peppers, ideally between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. High humidity can be beneficial during the vegetative stage, but reduce it during flowering to prevent fungal issues. Good air circulation is also vital to prevent stagnant air and promote strong stems. Regular plant care will ensure a bountiful harvest. Pruning is important for bell peppers to encourage bushier growth and better fruit production. Consider topping your plants when they are young to promote side branching. Remove any suckers or lower leaves that are not receiving adequate light or are touching the nutrient solution. This improves air circulation and directs the plant's energy towards fruit development. Support your plants with stakes or a trellis as they grow taller and heavier with fruit. If growing indoors, you may need to manually pollinate your bell pepper flowers. Gently shake the plant or use a small brush to transfer pollen between flowers. This ensures successful fruit set. While hydroponics reduces pest issues, remain vigilant. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of pests or diseases. Address any problems promptly with appropriate organic solutions if necessary. Harvesting your bell peppers at the right time ensures the best flavor and encourages more production. Bell peppers can be harvested when they reach their full size and desired color, whether green, red, yellow, or orange. The longer they stay on the plant, the sweeter they become. To harvest, use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the stem about an inch above the pepper. Avoid pulling the peppers, as this can damage the plant. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruit. Even with the best care, you might encounter a few common issues. If your leaves are yellowing, it could indicate a nutrient deficiency or an incorrect pH level. Check your EC and pH meters and adjust accordingly. Algae growth in your reservoir is another common problem. This usually happens due to light exposure to the nutrient solution. Cover your reservoir completely to block out light and clean it thoroughly during nutrient changes. Root rot can occur if the water is not sufficiently oxygenated or if temperatures are too high. Ensure your air pump is working correctly and the water temperature remains within the optimal range. Addressing these issues promptly will keep your plants healthy and productive. We hope this guide empowers you to start your own hydroponic bell pepper garden. With a little patience and consistent care, you'll be harvesting delicious peppers in no time. Happy growing!